The open road calls out my name. Through distant skies the fire remains. Each step I take the world unfolds, a story written yet untold. Beyond the horizon I chase the flame, through dreams and stars that can't be tamed. A seeker's heart, forever wide. I find my truth where freedom hides. The world is vast, the soul is free. Each question sparks another view. The endless search for what is true. No walls can hold this endless stream. The river flows into the stream. Through faith and wonder I will roam, and every path will lead me home. Beyond the horizon I chase the flame, through dreams and stars that can't be tamed. A seeker's heart, forever wide. I find my truth where free